Hey there, it's Bola from Binance. Have you ever wanted to trade gold, one of the world's oldest stores of value, without worrying about market hours, middlemen, or location restrictions? Well, now you can with the launch of XAUUSDT on Binance Futures. Today, we're going to introduce you to this exciting new product, break down how it works, and show you how to start trading gold's price movements easily and securely. Ready? Let's get started. So, what is XAUUSDT exactly? Simply put, XAU is the standard market code for gold, and USDT is a stable coin pegged one-to-one to the US dollar. Put those two together, and you get the price of gold quoted in USDT. That's XAUUSDT. Now, here's an important clarification. When you trade XAUUSDT on Binance Futures, you aren't buying gold. There are no bars, no vaults, no ownership. Again, since you're on Binance Futures, you're trading a futures contract that follows gold's price. It's different from tokenized gold, where digital tokens represent actual ownership of gold stored securely in vaults. Therefore, XAUUSDT Futures is purely about trading the price movement of gold up or down to unlock profit opportunities. Basically, you're trading a perpetual futures contract that tracks gold's price. A futures contract tells you trade price direction without owning the asset. If you've heard people talk about going long or going short, here's all that means. If you think gold's price will go up, you go long. If the price rises, you can profit. If you think gold's price will go down, you go short. If the price falls, you can profit. And perpetual just means that there's no fixed expiry date. You can keep the position open as long as you have enough balance in your account to support it. You can understand more about how futures works in Binance. Click the video card link right now or check out the description box for the video. Now, to access XAUUSDT futures, there are two ways. On the Binance website, navigate to the Binance Futures page, go over to the simple search bar, and select the TradFi tab under it. On the Binance app, go to Futures and tap on the symbol here. Now, click here to show all available future pairs, and then select the TradFi tab from the top menu to view available contracts. That's it. Easy, right? See, one of the biggest reasons this product exists is because gold and crypto run on different trading schedules. Traditional gold markets typically trade on a 24/5 schedule with a daily maintenance period, and they close on weekends and holidays. Binance Futures runs continuously. That means you can keep trading gold's price movement on Binance, settled in USDT, using the same futures account and balance you already use for crypto, even when the traditional gold market is closed. To make it all work, Binance uses a few pricing rules during those closed periods. That's why on the future screen, you'll see a few different prices. Last price is simple. It's just the price of the most recent trade on Binance. Price index is a reference price Binance pulls from third-party market data during regular gold trading hours. When the traditional gold market is closed and there's no fresh external data coming in, that index stays fixed at its last value. And mark price is an important safety reference. It's the price Binance uses to work out how much your trade is currently up or down and whether your position can safely stay open. If losses grow too large and your balance can't support the position anymore, it may be closed automatically to prevent further losses. When gold markets are open, mark price closely follows real gold prices using external market data. When they're closed, it starts from the price index and then moves based on actual trading on XAUUSDT. Another key attribute of perpetuals is that it allows you to trade using leverage. This allows you to amplify your trades with a smaller amount of capital on hand. Just remember that this works both ways. You can amplify both potential profits and losses. So, to sum up, XAUUSDT lets you trade the price movements of gold directly on Binance Futures, settled in USDT, whenever you want, with the convenience of leverage and round-the-clock access. No physical gold, just pure trading power. Now, what are you waiting for? Open your Binance app or access the Binance web and head over to the Futures section. You'll find XAUUSDT ready for you to explore. Got questions or want to dive deeper into Binance Futures? Check out the links in the description or visit our official channels for more tutorials and support. Happy trading!